Supreme Court is hearing the petitions to cancel NEET undergraduate 2024 examinations. A bench led by Chief Justice of India is hearing the matter. CJI raised concerns about the NEET paper leak, suggesting it could have happened well before the transportation of the question papers to the banks. Following some arguments, CJI has said that NEET paper leak happened before May 4th. Now, the government has previously maintained that the leak occurred on the morning of May 5th and was limited to small areas in Bihar and Jharkhand. CJI also highlighted that professors are not utilized as problem solvers, whereas students are frequently engaged for this purpose. Meanwhile, Advocate Dheeraj Kumar Singh has shared some details. Let's listen in.
के आदेश के बाद एनटीए ने डाटा सारा एग्ज़ाम का रिज़ल्ट का डाटा को रिलीज़ करा, पर उस डाटा रिलीज़ में भी जो है वो एनटीए ने थोड़ा सा खेल कर दिया है और बच्चों का नाम के बजाय रोल नंबर तक को भी छुपा लिया और साथ साथ रोल नंबर्स के साथ जो उन्होंने सीरियल नंबर्स और सीक्वेंसिंग दी है उसको भी जम्बल अप कर दिया है, जिससे हम एक सेंटर में कितने बच्चे बैठे हैं उसको नहीं देख पाते। इस संबंध में बच्चों ने, बहुत सारे पिटिशनर्स जो हैं उन बच्चों ने एनटीए को और ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर को जो है एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर को दोबारा से डाटा सही तरीके से रिलीज़ करने के लिए रिक्वेस्ट करी थी। अभी तक कोई डाटा रिलीज़ नहीं हुआ है। साथ साथ जो भी डाटा रिलीज़ हुआ उसको एनालाइज करने के बाद जो है एक बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ निकल के आता है कि अगर टॉप 50 सेंटर्स हम पूरे देश के देखें, क्योंकि एनटीए और भारत सरकार का स्टैंड था कि जो सारे टॉपर्स हैं या सब लोग जो हैं वो अक्रॉस द कंट्री स्प्रेड ओवर हैं, कहीं कोई अनप्रेसिडेंटेड हाइक नहीं है। लेकिन अगर टॉप 50 में से देखते हैं तो 31 जो टॉप 50 में 31 सेंटर्स जो हैं वो सीकर के हैं, जो कि पूरे देश में 19 सेंटर और सीकर में अकेले 31, टॉप 50 में। टॉप 100 देखेंगे तो 46 सीकर के हैं, 16 जयपुर के हैं और 8 सेंटर कोटा के हैं और एक
Brian on the telecast with me. Brian, latest developments coming in at this point of time. Of course, the NEET paper leak hearing is underway at this point of time. What are the details that are coming in?
Well, definitely, Asavri. Right now, it has become where the Supreme Court has resumed hearing on the, NEET, which has also plagued allegations of irregularities. Now, yes, the CJI says that the statements of the accused indicate that the NEET UG paper leak happened prior to May 4th. However, yes, Center also informed, Lok Sabha that there is no evidence of paper leak in the last 7 days. And even Dharmendra Pradhan on NEET paper allegations also said that the current question hour session of the lower house, that is the NEET UG paper leak controversy, has intensified, with even oppositions have also leaders sharply criticized Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Now, yes, now talking about, D.Y. Chandrachud, he was leading a 3-judge bench and ordered the NTA to release the NEET UG results categorized by city and exam center, and the NTA compiled publishing the results by 12 noon. And Chief Justice Chandrachud also stated that they directed the NTA to publish the marks obtained by students at the UG 2024 NEET examination, while at the same time without disclosing the identity of the students. Now, yes, the court has also, it's very important to note that they have also noted that any decision to conduct the NEET UG 2024 again must be supported by substantial evidence demonstrating that the exam's integrity was seriously confirmed, and even the NTA has also claimed the inflation of marks was due to changes in the syllabus, and the syllabus of the exam was reportedly modified in various sections, leading to inconsistencies in the score. But again, you talk about the parliament also, the opposition has walked out, and even Rahul Gandhi has also questioned the systematic corruption that happened.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.